Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find a Team Pokerstars Pro at their tables, maybe observe the game or actually join them and play with them on the PokerStars computer desktop app. So what you want to do is log in and go down to the tools section over here, and then that will usually bring you to the overview section in this part of the tools. But then go down to find and open up the find section, and then go down to a Team Pokerstars Pro. And also it's just, you can actually press on Mac, you can press Command and then P at the same time, or if you're on a Windows device, you can press Control and P, and that will bring up this page right here. And so it basically says, this feature lists all of our Team PokerStars players as either offline or online. Double click on the name of the Team Pro you wish to view from the online section, and a window will open showing a list of tables where they are currently seated. Double click on the name of any table in that list to open it so that you can observe the Team Pro in action or actually join the game and sit next to them. So you've got Spraggy here, you've got Felix Schneider's, James Hartigan, you've actually got Neymar Jr., Ronaldo, Sam Grafton, there's Lex Veldhuis, there's so many of the Team PokerStars Pros in here. And as it says, if they were online, you could double tap on their name, it would show you all the games that they're currently registered in at the moment, and then you can actually play either on their cash game table or in their tournament. So guys, this has been another video for the My Tech Mastery YouTube channel. If it's been helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you've got any questions or comments, leave them down below and I'll get back to them. Thanks.